Sup guys, it's your boy Zom back with some more stuff going on to the channel. And today we'll be making a corner bookmark. If you didn't know what a corner bookmark is, let's go to school and let me show you. A corner bookmark is when you put your corner bookmark. Let me get the sample. Okay, no, I have one. So you're just gonna get your corner bookmark and place it in on the corner. Like this. You get this one. This is a sample. The sample. You're gonna open your book and then you just put it on the corner. See, you're gonna put it upside down like this. You're gonna put it like right here, and then you're gonna pop it right on. So when you shut the book, you see, oh wow, look, I found it. Okay, so now let's get into making this corner bookmark. Okay, let's get into it. Come on, cameraman, come here, so they get a closer look. Okay, so you see here. Okay, so first what you're gonna do, so you need a little bit bigger of a paper to do this, but I'm gonna be using a sticky note. So the first thing you're gonna do is make it like a diamond. If it's like this, put it like a diamond. And then you're gonna put this corner to the top corner. And crease it because it is so important to crease. And then after that, get this corner or whatever corner you want to do first and fold it up to the top and crease. And then repeat on the other side. And then fold them back. And then you should, if I can get it off of the sticky note, you should have something like this coming off there. And then you're gonna peel it like right down to the bottom of the triangle. And then you're gonna fold this right back up after you fold that back up. And then you're gonna do it with the other side again. And then you're gonna fold this down, crease it. And you're gonna fold this down too and crease it. And that is how you make a corner bookmark. You can head on and keep on designing it. Sometimes I make this a Superman, I crease it at the top and make it a Superman symbol or a made up symbol. And it's really very OP. So now that was the end of this video. If you liked it, smash that subscribe button, and we'll see you all next time. Goodbye.